again, everyone. Josie here from Life at 50 and Beyond. Thanks for joining me here on my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to be cleaning up the microwave hood, meaning it's also our vent. It acts as our over the range hood. We've been here. We purchased this home in 2012. It's now 2018. We're here on our 6th year, and to be honest, as embarrassing as it is, we have not cleaned up the vent itself. Actually, we've cleaned up underneath. I even wash the strain, and I'm going to be showing you what I'm talking about here. And this portion here, this one, I wash at least once every couple of weeks because sometimes there's so much oil deposit or grease from cooking, okay? However, what I have not addressed is the one on top. So you could see it looks shiny, looks clean, but looks can be deceiving. There's a lot of gunk that I need to get rid of. So if you want to see how I do it, stick around. So let me just show you. I've already kind of wiped out some of the grease or gunk on the surface, and then using my screwdriver, I am removing some of the screws so that I can remove also this portion here that has been covering as a protective cover for the vent. As you can see, these are the initial gunk that I removed. I'm sorry if it's a little gross. I'm sure you'll be grossed out. So I've loosened this up already, and let's see what it is. I haven't seen this yet. Again, this is 6 years of gunk, people, and don't be judging because, oh gosh, so it is ill gross. Like I said, 6 years, and we've been only cleaning the surface, the top, because I know that some of the grease deposits onto the cabinet doors on the top of our hood, and I only cleaned the surface. I never opened it up for 6 years. So what I'm going to do is use this Clorox disinfectant here as the wipes and just try to remove as much as I can. And I'm not sure what kind of electricals they have here, so I'm trying to be as careful as I can. I don't want to spray anything right now for fear of damaging any electrical, because just recently we had this microwave fixed using our warranty plan, and yeah, I don't want to add any more problems onto it. My husband is not home right now. He doesn't know that I'm doing this, and he told me that he will do it with me. So I kind of want to do it on my own for now. I like tinkering with things and cleaning things. So as you can see, there's some oil there, and look at how thick the grease or the gunk. Now, I think that portion there, because it's kind of warm when I touched it, is the one that kind of is on top of the light bulb that is inside the microwave. So again, yeah, years of procrastinating on when to address it. Again, cleaning just the surface isn't enough. You have to open it up. I apologize if I'm not wearing any gloves right now. Again, I know this is just the grease. Now I'm using ear cotton buds to remove some of the grease and dirt that's deposited on some of the nook and crannies, some of the areas where the rug that the wipes cannot reach, and the stubborn dirt here in the corner. Look at that. That's a lot of dirt there. And I'm just trying to remove as much as I can. Look at that. Ugh, how gunky that is. And it's just crazy, huh? And I apologize for the shakiness because I'm just holding my iPhone on one of my hands, and then I'm wiping with another. So I'm just kind of switching back and forth between two hands. So yeah, so the surface first with these wipes, as much as I can, as gently as I can. I am not going to spray anything that may cause any problems because I am not sure yet what I am going to be encountering. So yeah, there's underneath there. I don't want to stick out my hand there for fear of being electrocuted. And probably that's also another reason why I didn't want to do this yet before. Okay, so this is an old used brush and a toothpaste. And I figured toothpaste like this with baking soda or fluoride, and that's just a small toothpaste. It's just the one, the travel toothpaste that you can get from the Dollar Tree. And I just grab it from the bathroom upstairs, and I figured, okay, I'm gonna use toothpaste, and I don't think it will cause any harm. Okay, so I am just applying some. I cut it in half because I can, I think it's getting a little dry already, but I just want to try this out, see how it's going to work out. And applying as much as I can, because again, I don't want to spray anything here, so I want to clean this up in a kind of a dry way. So I'm just using this old toothbrush to do that. Let me just tell you, I think this toothpaste method is working, because those type of toothpaste have not just fluoride, but they also have baking soda in them. And I don't think it's going to be harming any of the parts here that I'm currently working on. And now what I'm going to be doing here is I'm going to be using the wipes that the Clorox wipes, and I'm wrapping it on the brush, around the brush, the toothbrush, and I am going to be reaching all of that areas there that I think would benefit from the solution that is in the wipes, and then just kind of doing a little bit of cleanup there, protecting myself and avoiding the areas that I am not too familiar with. See, I'm just kind of removing the leftover. I hope that you've already kind of remembered how it looked like from before. And like I said, that was a little warm because that was the bulb or the light for the microwave. And that's why it was pretty hot there. There's a hot plate there, so I don't want to get too close there. And I'm just wiping any place here that I can remove additional or the remaining gunk. And then I'm doing the same thing on the top. See, I'm still collecting a lot more, and I've been working on this for, I would say, over half an hour already, and there's still a lot of gunk. And to be honest, when I started filming, I've already removed a lot from the top of the grate, the protective covering. And then there's a lot more inside as expected. So this corner here, trying to brush some more and remove more dirt. Okay, now I'm going to be cleaning the cover that I removed earlier. The portion that I unscrewed, I call it the grate or the top cover. And just showing you some of the gunk that I collected here with how many pieces of wipes and paper towels, and also, the toothbrush, and also the Q-tips, or, the earbuds, cotton buds. So yeah, here I'm wiping it again with the wipes. And this time, because it's made of plastic, I was, just wiping it here in the sink, and I'm going to be using water, hot water, and then some soap later. And I'm going to be using a brush as well. So right now, I'm just doing a little bit of cleanup, removing some of the gunk that had been deposited there for 6 years. Using paper towel, I'm just drying this cover that I just washed. And I'm now putting it back. It's kind of hard doing this one-handed. And I know that there's still a little bit of dirt there that I could see on the surface, and I am still going to be removing them. I have a spatula here, and look, there are areas there that I have not been able to reach earlier with my wipes, as well as the brush that I used, even the Q-tips I used, and I needed something sharp and flat. I'm trying to insert here the wipes again, because what I like about this is disinfectant wipes. Look at that dirt. Oh my gosh. Of course, probably the more deep cleansing would be to remove the microwave oven or the microwave itself. Oh, look at that dirt. Sorry about it, guys. It looks something like it's fecal material, but it's all grease. So I'm not worried about my hand getting dirty because I know they're just grease. But I am just glad that it's done. This is one of my to-do lists that I've been able to cross off. So the next thing I'm going to do is just remove the grease from the door cover of the cabinet on top. I don't have to show you that. It's kind of easier than what I have accomplished today. And yeah, I'm so glad. And here's the sound of the vent. So that's it, everybody. I'm so happy I've been able to finally clean that part of the microwave. Every day, I know that it's just common for a lot of us to just clean the inside, clean the superficial or the exterior of the microwave. And like I said, the underneath of the microwave, I often clean that once every couple of weeks just to remove the grease. But what we have not been able to do is the top. And probably because we don't really see it and we don't really notice, but I know for a fact that that was long overdue. So if you have anything that you can take away from this video is that do not procrastinate. And I know I've learned my lesson. Instead of procrastinating, I am going to be better at cleaning that portion. Probably what I'm going to do is every month I'm going to inspect it and make sure that it's clean. I hope that you have learned the same lesson that I've learned as well. Like I said, I've been in the cleaning mode and I just don't want to procrastinate anymore, and I just want to get it done. Thanks a lot, everyone, for joining me here on my channel. Please click subscribe, like, and comment down below. Have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.